Alright, this one's too easy to operate right here. It is fully automatic, so it might raise up a little longer. Since you're right-handed, it's going to be coming up right up every time. Right hand down there, left hand right there. Push that really hard to your shoulder, lean into it, tuck in the elbows. Right. You're looking for that little red dot right inside of there. It's a holographic dot.
What gun is this?
This is the M4, standard issue for our military. And with this one right here, you want to shoot in burst. It's just going to be a little bang, a little bang, just like that.
Yeah, I would aim low at first. You're not going to be used to it. Aim low. It's not going to take that much. Wait!
You can hold it down a little longer if you'd like to.
Make that next with the saw, la metralladora.
Big child. What was that like? It's good.
Okay, go.
Yeah. You're still scoring.
Very nice. Look at that.
I'll have to put them all on there.
Get a picture with this one right here.